Oh, well, this is. We say that this is how I woke up, but it's not actually. But we are trying to go a little more natural because जैसे हम सुबह में shoot करें थोड़ा fresh look. फिलहाल हम जो 5-6 looks हैं, they are going to be more fresh looks, which is a little more natural. So we're trying to go all plain, simple, casuals with little bit here and there. So I think so because we want to give a morning kind of a picture in the final post, so we have a coffee mug which we're using, so that we have different props. And I think the pictures have come amazing. I've just seen the pictures. I think white on white looks amazing. So I think it's killing it. Well, हम थोड़ा summary look देना चाहते हैं. So that's how you can see it's a bright yellow dress. These are from the Lakme Fashion Week. Young talents design. Like you can see, it's amazing. They make amazing stuff, and you can see. Salma ने मेरा बाल पूरा, she's given a very high height. The height is too much, very big, so it is. And we've added this little natural rose from the bungalow here, which is really complementing the look. So I think this is looking very nice, and as you can see that Kalpesh again, who's Kahna makeup, he's such a fab makeup artist. The best thing about my makeup artist and my hairdresser is they're very quick. So I think as an actor, when you want different changes in a photo shoot or while you're shooting, you want somebody who's that fast, and I think that is done very well with my team, and it's very important to have a good team. I have to add little color on it, so I think this is what the look is with the long hair, very New York fashion style, where generally you see people over there, dressed up like this. So I guess everybody is very inspired by, especially New York and Paris fashion and fashion lifestyle over there. So I think that is what we're trying to do, because I've never done shoot like this. Honestly, I've never tried all this look that I'm trying today, so I'm just giving it a shot. Let's see what all happens and how the pictures turned out to be. Well, we're shooting for a magazine today, as you can see, with different looks, and all thanks to Maya. She is the one who's creating all these looks that we're doing today. Maya ने बहुत कुछ plan किया है आज के look के लिए, especially photo shoot के लिए, because बहुत variety देना है. और the best part about Maya is वो इतना fast shoot कर लेती है कि अगर हम दिन में 20 look भी रखें तो as an artist you don't get exhausted. वो बहुत फास्ट क्लिक करती है, वो करेक्ट फ्रेम्स लेती है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जब आपका बहुत सारा लुक प्लान हो डे के लिए. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट योर टीम इज़ वेरी फास्ट, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट माया डज. So I think I'm really happy the way she's shooting me. I can see the pictures जो भी मैं देख लूँ फिलहाल. I think they're coming out great.
Don't give me all credits here. It's all because of you. Like you are giving good expression, and
thank you. You're so
of
sweet.
course she's very beautiful.
So let's see when the pictures come out in magazines. I'm sure people can see how good she is as a photographer, and the variety that she's going to give for the magazine.
Sana is shooting for magazine today, and I seriously loved her look, especially the black one and then the white one, and like look, blender. And
all the looks. In short, all the looks.
In short, all
difficult.
Because actually I'm confused which one to say that my favorite or is my favorite. And she is just see, look at her. She is so beautiful, stunning. My God! And I'm really happy to come here. And
thank you for those. Like my oldest best friend. He's my only best friend and guys who I can talk to, and I can share any possible stupid things I want, and he's always there to support me no matter what I do, especially today by getting you. Thank you for coming. I called you. It's Harry's like last moment, but thank you so much. It matters, and gratitude, and thank you for those for letting this happen.
And that is why we are like a partner in crime.
Yes,
we do everything.
हर photo shoot हम साथ में होते हैं. There's no photo shoot that we miss. So yeah. We had to do this.
You come.
Okay, so Harry is here for the making of the photo shoot that we're doing with Maya, who's the photographer for this photo shoot.
Yes.
And this is Maya, and this is a small little Jackson who's like here and there.
He's
Poor guy is wondering मेरे साथ कोई photo shoot करो, इसके साथ भी हम shoot करेंगे. End of the day, he's very cute. He's been very patient. बिल्कुल trouble नहीं करता है. And secondly, Harry, thank you so much. Last moment call.
I'm speechless right now. I'm speechless. My hands are shivering. I don't know how to handle this. Thank you so much Firdaus bhai. आपने ये किया है मेरे लिए.
Thank you Firdaus.
And upcoming shoot में आपके लिए कौन सा क्लिप है गाना?
Definitely.
I'll be clipping you.
For sure.
Let me paint you through a lens. Please give me a chance.
Of course, for sure.
Thank you so much.